Hello students, today we will understand constructor with default value. So let's start program. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, two header files at the top. Then class, how to make class space class name. Class name is point. Then body of the class, semicolon. Now public access modifier. I am taking three variables here, x, y and z. Now again public section to make constructor and functions. Constructor and function are always public. So I am making a constructor, 3 argument constructor. So how to make constructor? Very easy. Whenever you want to make constructor, write the class name and no return type in front of class name. 3 argument constructor, int space a comma, int space b comma, int space c. Then body of the constructor. In the body of the constructor, this constructor will receive 3 values through object a, b and c in form of a, b and c. A will give its value to x, so x assign a. B will give value to y, y assign b, and c will give its value to z. It's a normal 3 argument constructor, but when we give values, when we are creating constructor, we are assigning some values here, 10, 20 and 30. So when we assign values at the time when we are creating constructor, this type of constructor is called constructor with default values. There are 3 default values, for A 10, for B 20, for C 30. Previously it was a normal 3 argument constructor, but when we pass value in these parameter, now it is constructor with default value. Now I am making a function to print the value of x, y and z, void display, function name. Now what the display will do, it will print value of x, y and z. I am giving here slash t and then value of x with message, not in capital letter, it should be in a small letter. Then cout slash t, message of y, then y value. Then cout same slash with slash t, but now value of z. So this is function which will print the value of x, y and z. So here this is class point, 3 variables, and this is constructor with default value 10, 20 and 30. A function which will display the value of x, y and z. Now main function, body of main function. In main function I will make object of the class. How to make the object of the class? Class name space object name, p1. We have 3 argument constructor, default constructor with default value, but it is 3 argument constructor. So whenever we call this constructor, we need 3 values which will received by a, b and c. If we not pass 3 values in normal condition, it will create error. But right now I am passing nothing through object, and in the constructor there are 3 parameters a, b and c. So we need to pass 3 values from here, but I am not passing any value from here, and I am doing p1 dot display means calling display function. CLR here if you want to run the program, and get ch here. So now we are checking that what happens if we have 3 argument constructor. Okay, default value, but we have 3 argument constructor and we are passing nothing through object. What happens? Let's check it. First I am compiling. One error is coming. Let's check. Where is the error? See this one. This is error. What is error? Read here. Statement missing semicolon. Okay. Now semicolon. Now I am running this program. What you are watching here? Value of x is 10, value of y is 20, value of z is 30. If you see here, we are passing nothing here in through object. Okay, and but it is printing all 3 values, x, y and z. So from where the values are coming? When we create object, it calls the constructor. This constructor, we have only one constructor in our program. It calls the constructor, and we are not passing value. So when it comes here, it takes default values. For x, value of a, for y, value of b, and for z, value of c. It takes default values. In normal condition, if it was a normal constructor 3 argument, it creates error. But in constructor with default values, it does not create any error because it takes the default values. If you not pass the value, it takes the default values. Now I am making one more object of the class. How? Point. Now change the name P2, and I am passing one value from here, not 10. I am passing 50. So how many values you are passing? Normally we have to pass 3 values because we have 3 argument constructor. But in this object I am passing one value, and then calls the function p1 dot display. What will happen? You are passing one value through object, it goes to constructor, and this constructor receives the value 50 which you are passing through object. It will give to a, and there is no value for b and c. So what will happen? It receives one value through object and assign to a. Means a value is, it will not take the default value because you are passing one value. So it will not take the default value, it will take your value which you are passing through object 10, and means 50 will assign to a, and a will assign value into x. So value of x will be 50. But what about 2 other values? You are not passing, so it will take the default values 20 and 30. So your answer of x will be 50 for which you are passing through object. See this one, you are passing through object. So this value will received by a and give to x 50, but 2 others value you are not passing. For b and c, it will take the default values. Let's check. Now I am running this program. See this one, x 50, y 20, z 30. This time the value of x is not 50 or not 10, sorry. This is 50 which you are passing through object, but y and z value are same because you are not passing any value. To change the line, what we have to do? /n. Now you can check your answer. See this one. Now you can create more object. To check it, you can pass 2 values, 3 values, like this. So this is your constructor with default value.